You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing names as well. Stay tuned to the channel. There are different pronunciations for this name. In Japanese, it is said as Aeko, Aeko, Aeko. Now in English, it's sometimes said as Echo, Echo. Some pronounce it also as Eco or Aeko. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.